So we are in exercise 8B of percentage with some word problems. The word problems are as simple as anything, so we needn't to worry about it. If you are able to understand English, then I suppose that it is the easiest thing. Why? Because we do only such things which we are directed. So here Mr. Deepak buys a basket of mangoes containing 250 mangoes. So his basket contains 250 mangoes. 12% of these were found to be rotten. So number of rotten is equal to 12%. So 12% means 12 out of 100 into 250. So my dear, when you cancel this, what will you get? 5 times, 2 times, and 2 6 times. So number of rotten will be equal to 30. Fine. Of the remaining 10%, so what is the remaining amount? Remaining amount is equal to, how many mangoes were there? 250. So out of 250, these 30 of them were rotten. Therefore, the remaining number of mangoes will be equal to 220. Fine. Now, the most important part over here is of the remaining 10% got crushed. Means 10% of the remaining, not the total. So number of crushed mangoes is equal to, how much? 10%. 10% of 220. Why? Because this 220 is the remaining number of mangoes. Clear? So on cancellation, simple cancellation, we find that number of crushed mangoes is equal to 22. So when number of crushed mangoes is equal to 22, naturally, how many mangoes were good? Therefore, number of good mangoes will be equal to, from the remaining, from the remaining, these 22 mangoes were bad. Therefore, number of good mangoes will be equal to 220 minus 22. Minus 22 will be equal to how much? 198 mangoes. So how many mangoes were good? So number of good mangoes is equal to 198. Okay, let's switch on to the next one, where in a maths quiz of 60 questions, Chandra got 90% correct answer and Ram got 80% correct answer. So here we have total number of questions. Total number of questions is equal to 60. Well, Chandra got 90% correct answer. This means number of correct answers got by Chandra. Number of correct answers got by Chandra is equal to 90%. So 90% of 60, because 60 questions were there. So on cancellation, on simple cancellation, I find 9 6 are 54 questions were correct. Now, and Ram got 80% correct answers. Therefore, number of correct answers got by Mr. Ram is equal to how much? We should write this in capital letter. Is equal to how much? 80%. Therefore, 80% of 60. Remember that here they have not given us 80% of remaining. They are directly saying 80% of the total number of questions. So on cancellation, कीजिए cancellation, 8 6 are 48. So 48 questions were such which Ram made it correct. Find each one correct answers. So each one correct answers I have already found it out. So my A is solved. Now what percentage is Ram's correct answer to Chandra correct answer? So when we come to B, part B, we are being asked that Ram correct answer to Chandra correct answer, isn't it? So let us see. Ram by Chandra means they are asking you, they are comparing Ram's marks, Ram's mark with Chandra's mark. So Ram by Chandra into 100. Because why? Because we are finding the value in percentage. Therefore, Ram is how much? Ram, where is Ram? Ram is 48. Therefore, my dear, Ram is 48. Where is Chandra? Chandra is 54 into 100. So let's just cancel it. Okay, we don't have any other options. Okay, so we need to cancel it. So 6 9 times and 6 8s are 48. So we will get 800. We'll get 800 by 9 percentage, which you will solve it and you will get it as 88 8 by 9 percentage. So this was quite simple as the other one. Okay, few are more, so please keep on concentrating. I'll not teach you more than question number 6. In an examination, the maximum marks are 900. Therefore, we know that the maximum marks over here equal to 900. Well done. A student gets 33% of the maximum marks. So marks secured. This fellow is, I think, little poor in studies. So a student gets 33% of the maximum marks. So marks secured is equal to 33%. So 33% of what? Of 900. Definitely, because total marks is 900. So on cancellation, when we cancel this one, what we will get? Let's cancel it. 0 0. This 0 also gets cancelled. So here we'll get 297. So the child secures 297 marks. Okay, and fails by 45 marks. Means this is the mark he secures, he gets, and fails by 45 marks. This means the total marks or the pass mark that he should get. Okay, the pass mark he should get is equal to 297 plus 45. So 297 plus 45 will give you how much? Will be equal to 342 marks. Okay, 342 marks. Am I sure? Yes, 242 marks. So this is the mark he should get in order to pass. So my first question is solved. What is the passing mark? Find the pass percentage. So pass percentage will be equal to marks secured by total marks into 100. This means marks secured was 200, and what was the mark secured? What is find the pass percentage. So marks secured, not marks secured, I would write over here as the pass mark. It's better I would write pass mark. Pass mark by total marks into 100. Okay, so pass mark is how much? Pass mark is 342, while the total marks is 900 into 100. So when you people cancel this, you will get it as 38 percentage. 342 by 9 will give you 38%. So make it sure here that when they are asking you pass percentage, so you should write pass mark over here, not marks secured. So pass mark by total mark will give you the pass percentage. Okay. In a train, everyone travels in a train and might have traveled in train. Some in first class, while in some second class, and some in AC. Okay, AC means here air conditioner. Okay, so in a train, 15% people travel in the first class. So what I find here, that 15% people is a question mark. We do not know how many people. Total number of people is not given. Total number of people is missing. So what I am going to do, I'll take a particular value. 100. So let the number of people be 100. Why? Because total number of people are missing. 15% travel in the first class. So number of people in first class is equal to 15% people. 15% people means 15 by 100 into 100. When you will cancel this, you will get 15. Okay, this is just to show how you will get 15. Otherwise, it might create some confusion, as when I would write 15% as 15. Okay, so I have showed it to you people that how the number of people in first class is 15%, which comes to 15. Why? Because we are calculating in 100. Okay. 35% travel in the second class. Therefore, number of people in second class is equal to how much? 35%. So 35% means 35 by 100 beta into 100. So when you will cancel this, you will get 35. Okay, fine. The balance travel in AC. So when we are talking about the balance over here, so balance over here means remaining. Okay, balance means remaining. So the remaining in AC will be equal to how much? Will be equal to total minus first class and minus second class. So total was how much? Your total was how much? Total was 100. I had already taken it as 100, minus your first class was 15 and your second class was 35. So 100 minus 15 minus 35, okay, will give you 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. So remaining in AC is equal to 50, which gives you 50 percentage. Why? Because you are calculating the value out of 100, means 50%. 50 over 50 here means 50 out of 100. So 50 out of 100 means 50%. So please do not forget to put the percentage mark at the end, otherwise you know the consequences. Clear? Next one, number 5. A boy eats 25% of the cake. One cake. Remember, this is one cake only. Of the cake means one cake. So one cake is there. So a boy is sitting with his friends. A boy is sitting with his friends with one cake, and he eats 25% of the cake. Okay. Here also the value of the cake is not given. Therefore, I would keep its value as 100. Since the value is not given, the value of the cake is not given, so I would keep the value as 100. Okay. So let the total cake be 100. Okay. Let the total cake be 100. Fine. Now boy eats how much? So the boy eats 25%. 25% of this amount, 100, means he eats 25 and gives away 35% of it to his friends. So the friends eat how much? So the friends eat 35% of the total. So 35% of the total means the boy eats, the friend eats 35, the boy eats 25. What percent of the cake is still left? Still left. Of course, the cake will be left. So still left. What still left? Cake is equal to, out of the total, I need to minus the cake eaten by the boy, 25, and the cake eaten by the friend. The cake eaten by the friend. So the cake eaten by the friend is 35. So when we solve this portion, what I'll get? 100 minus how much? 100 minus 60 will give you 40. So the cake left is equal to 40. But what are they asking you? They are asking you the percentage. Okay, so percentage. So here at the end you need to mention this as 40%. 40%. So percentage left percentage left is equal to 40%. Why? Because we are calculating this 40 out of 100. 100 में 40 बचा, मतलब 40% बचा. It's very simple. Okay, just the last one. So you need to concentrate just for a few minutes. Okay, what is the percentage of vowel in English alphabet? So when you're talking about English alphabet, okay, English alphabet, which comprises of A, B, C, D, E, okay, so total number of this is equal to 26. So total number of alphabet is equal to 26. Total number of alphabet is equal to 26. If you have any doubt, you can count it of your own. Percentage of vowel. So when they are talking about this vowel, okay, total number of vowel. What do you mean by vowel? They are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U is equal to 5. They are asking you the percentage. Percentage of vowel means 5 out of 26. 5 out of 26. So percentage of vowel is equal to how much? Is equal to 5 out of 26 into 100. So let's calculate this also. Okay, so 2 13 times and 2 50, 250 by 13 percentage. When you simplify this, naturally you will get 19.3 by 13 percentage. Okay, thank you for showing so much of your patience in understanding, but again I tell you, please keep on reading the questions a number of times. Only then you will get a CLEAR. What is this? CLEAR, clear concept of the matter. Thank you.